Struggling with manually managing line items for your HubSpot deals? Is repetitive data input making your sales process slower than it should be? Meet Liner, the ultimate solution to streamline your HubSpot sales processes. Manually managing line items in HubSpot can be a hassle. It's time-consuming, error-prone, and can slow your team down. What if you could automate this process and save valuable time? Introducing Liner, a powerful HubSpot app that automatically adds line items to deals in just a few clicks. With Liner, line items are added to your deals seamlessly, freeing you from any manual input. What Liner can do for you? First, effortless line item addition allows to automatically add line items to HubSpot deals through workflows, eliminating manual data entry and saving time. Second, real-time line item management that makes it possible to keep your deals up to date with automated real-time adjustments to existing deals, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. And third, customizable workflow. Actions enhance your HubSpot workflows with customizable actions, giving you complete control to optimize your sales process. So let's now explore how to see the Liner app. Firstly, you need to create a workflow in HubSpot. Once your deal enrollment trigger is set, click Add and scroll down the left sidebar to the Integrated Apps section. Select Liner and choose the Add Line Item to Deal option. Enter the necessary details for your line items, including optional fields like SKU, name, description, quantity, price, and currency. Ensure that all required fields are filled, then click Save to proceed. After saving, verify that the Liner action is configured correctly within the workflow. Review all workflow settings, make any adjustments if needed, and then publish the workflow. Ready to take control of your sales workflow? Download Liner today and revolutionize how you manage deals in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or how Liner can improve your HubSpot experience.